Hi guys, it's me, Critstone Lobrigat from BSN2 Block A. And for today, we're going to tackle about arithmetic sequence. So what is an arithmetic sequence? So an arithmetic sequence is an ordered set of numbers that have a common difference between each consecutive term. So for example, in the arithmetic sequence 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, the common difference is 6. So if we add or subtract by the same number each time to make the sequence, it is an arithmetic sequence. And the term-to-term rule tells us how we get from one term to the next. So here are some examples of arithmetic sequence. So if the first term is 3 and the term-to-term rule is add 6, the first 5 terms will be 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 6 is 27. So if the first term is 8 and the term-to-term will be subtract by 2, the first 5 term will be 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Next is the first term is 12, and the term-to-term rule will be add 7. The first 5 term will be 12 plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 7 is 26, 26 plus 7 is 33, and 33 plus 7 is 40. So if the first term is negative 4, and the term-to-term rule will be subtract by 5, the first 5 term will be negative 4, subtract by 5 is negative 9, negative 9 minus 5 will be negative 14, and negative 14 subtract by 5 will be negative 19, and negative 19 minus 5 will be negative 24. Next is the first term is 1/2, and the term-to-term rule will be add 1/2. The first 5 term will be 1/2 plus 1/2 is equals to 1. And next is 1 plus 1/2 will be 1.5. And 1.5 plus 1/2 is equals to 2. And 2 plus 1/2 is equals to 2.5. So to continue an arithmetic sequence, we must remember these three. So first, take 2 consecutive terms from the sequence. Next is subtract the first term from the next term to find the common difference or D. And lastly, we had to add the common difference to the last term in the sequence to find the next term, and then repeat for each new term. So for the arithmetic sequence formula, we must remember that AN is equals to A1 plus open parenthesis n minus 1 close parenthesis B. So AN is the nth term or the general term, A1 is the first term, N is the term position, D is the common difference. So we get the arithmetic sequence formula by looking at the following examples. For example, 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. So when we subtract 9 minus 3, we get 6. 15 minus 9, we get 6. 21 minus 15 is 6. And 27 minus 21 is 6. So we can see that the common difference of the number is 6. So D is equals to 6. So A1 is the first term, which is 3. And A2 is the second term, which is 9. So the A3 is the third term, which is 15. However, we can write this using the common difference of 6. So for the first term is 3, and the second term will be 3 plus the common difference, which is 6. Next, we're going to get the A3. So is equals to, for the first term, we'll have 3 plus open and close parentheses for the term position 2 times the common difference, which is 6. So 2 times 6 will be 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. So we have now 3, 9, 15. And for the A4, we're going to get the first term plus the n, or the term position, times the common difference. So we have 3 times 6 is 18, plus 3, we have 21. So we get the 3, 9, 15, 21. And for the fifth term, we're going to get the 3, the first term, plus the n term, or the term position, times 6 for the common difference. So we have 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3, we have 27. So we get the 3, 9, 15, 21, and 27. So how to find missing numbers in arithmetic sequence? So in order to find the missing numbers in an arithmetic sequence, we must remember these three. First is to calculate the common difference between two consecutive terms. Second is we're going to add the common difference to the term before a missing value. And then third is we're going to subtract the common difference from the term after a missing value. So for example, we're going to fill in the missing terms in the sequence 5, 8, blank, blank, 17. So remember the first one, we're going to find the common difference between two consecutive terms. So which is 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Next is we're going to add the common difference to the previous term. So the previous term is 8 and the common difference is 3. So 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. And then we're going to subtract the common difference from the term after a missing value. So the last is 17 minus the common difference is 14.